Hi! I have a haul to share with you. I purchased something from one little dreamer the other day, and I still had to make this video. I just want to show you what I bought. This beautiful Venice lace, and this one here. Just love these laces. Just look at this. How pretty is that? I just love it, love it. And this one is my favorite, I think. It's so thick and elegant. Gonna have so much fun playing with these. Yeah, I have some more of this one. Had to buy some more of it. And this leaf one. Also ideal to cut out appliques from it. And this pretty lace bought from her too. It's very detailed. And some dangling lace. This one and this type too, and this one. Now this one has fans, gorgeous, and I had to have some of this pink one, gorgeous, and blue one. And she also sells these roses, and I bought a packet from her. I'm crazy about these roses. I'm gonna make headbands, as I have some friends that are expecting soon, so I'm gonna make some cutie pie headbands for them. Ari included these as a present. Oh look, these are just so cute. I could use these for my headbands. Adorable. Also the hearts. Cute, cute. They're also so soft. And I did buy a bling grab bag. I'm not going to show that here, but I'm going to show you the types that I bought. Now here's one. Here's another one. And also this one here. Oh, these just gorgeous. Just love these. And okay, my tripod is not willing to work with me now, but I also bought the one with the butterflies and the one with the big flowers, and this pink one here, just gorgeous. So that's what I bought from Ari. Hi Ari, and I'll be posting some more very soon. some more videos. So thank you all for watching and have a good day. Bye.